the biggest reason to be involved with solar energy overall is my belief in at least trying to live an ethical lifestyle. Now that I'm retired, I have more time to garden and really started it and found out about native gardening, that if you plant native flowers and plants and trees, they'll attract butterflies and bees and birds and give them a place to live. And that overall fits in with a way of living that emphasizes less carbon imprint, protect us from global warming, our house and our land being more sustaining for the environment. The second reason I went solar was because of the cost savings. I'm paying up front for them, but there are credits and lots of rebates that help. And so the solar panels will actually pay themselves off in 17 years, but they're guaranteed for 25 years. So in the end, I'll make money on it. My energy will be reduced about 75 to 80%, and that makes a difference to me to having a lower monthly payment now that I'm retiring. The actual installation process went very well. I was very impressed by how they used a checklist system. They did a checklist when they came to greet me. They did a checklist of what they were doing each day. They did a checklist at the end to make sure I was well trained and able to use it. So I always knew the process all along the way and knew that they were double checking everything they did, and they had cleared it all with UCity and gotten the proper permits. So it all went very, very smooth. The company's performance was overall good. I mean, I would recommend them to anyone. There was no problems at all. There's just one more thing, and now I got to get my electric car someday, so I'm waiting for that.
I've been wanting to get into solar for a long time. I come from a construction background. I've been a carpenter for over 14 years, so the building part of it comes pretty naturally, and it's always been a dream.
And I also love getting to work at a company that is a B corporation that really takes care of the people that work here and also takes care of the planet. The core of this company are about taking care of people, and while we are taking care of the planet, providing good jobs for people with a living wage, great benefits, while we are doing something that is making a difference on our planet.
I already feel like this is one of the safest places I've ever worked, and that's because of the people I work with.
We're doing this for the greater good of everybody. I think that kind of respect and attitude goes a long way.
I would want people to know that StraightUp Solar is the real deal.